Now that drop is obviously lacking. So let's have a look in the effects section because we haven't done that yet. Here we've got the white noise, and that is used a lot in dance music. It's kind of like icing on the cake. So let's hear what it does. That's too loud, but it just fills out the frequencies. But it's important when using white noise to equalize it so you're only getting the frequencies you want to come through, because it can clog up the mix a bit. And I added some pump compression to this as well. And all of these effects are just samples I've dragged in from sample packs, from Splice, from Vengeance sample packs, from wherever. And so we've got crashes. I'll bring the volume up on all of them. And they're kind of the ear candy. This is, now we've got the basics down, which is the drop and the break. Everything else, and the structure now, everything else is kind of just bringing it together and taking it up to that next stage. So we've got a crash sound, we've got a riser. We've got a down sweeper, which again is white noise, but this has got lots of reverb kind of in the sample, which is cool. We've got a boom, like a big bass boom. An impact that's just layered up by the look of things. And on these vocals, I just make them go up.